Hi there guys, welcome to another little video of the RC Whisperer. If you like my channel, go and hit subscribe button, hit the like button, go ahead and share, take the bell and give it a smash, and if you want to, leave a little comment. Well, I've got 3 of these RC cars done, so let's get into the little video of what I did. I'm just going to show you what I did is, as you can see, this is belt driven, so I replaced the metal or the the gears with a belt drive system, because it has more traction around here and around here instead of only here where the gears do that. Oh, anyways, yeah, so what I did is that I also built the same belt drive system onto here and also onto my Nissan. What I had to do is I had to Dremel out underneath here because it was catching on the belt, so I had to Dremel that out, modify it. Anyway, so yeah, this one also has a belt drive. Sorry, I'm filming here with one hand, so but this one does have a cover, so there's a belt drive system in there. Yeah, I've got that all sorted out. Now I've got something else for this one, so on to the next little video. Bye, see ya, and thanks for watching.